Hey ladies, how you doing? So this is the hair. This is the, I want to say Beafay. We're going to go with that. Beafay hair. This is the Indian loose wave, guys. I love it. This is a frontal with 3 bundles. I have all 3 bundles in. I squeezed everything and I didn't want to leave nothing out. I made it into a middle part. I keep it nice and simple because I don't have time for any plucking or anything like that. I can wear it on a side part, whatever, but I don't have no time for plucking the front or anything. I want to just wear the hair and call it a day. When I washed the hair, it did smell like factory. I mentioned that in my first video, but however, it was still nice. It was still beautiful. It had a nice bouncy short-temple curl. Once I washed it, it pretty much looked like this. I just put some nice little beach waves in to kind of keep it looking cute and simple. Nothing too much. Nothing too much. I love it. What else can I say about it? I keep saying I washed it. I put it on a cap, on a dome cap mesh wig cap. Frontal 3 bundles. I have in 216, a 14, and a 14-inch frontal. It's very nice and lightweight. I will say this: when I washed it, it did tangle. And I washed my units in cold water. I'm an advocate for saying washing in cold or lukewarm. Preferably cold, whatever you can stand. When I took the bundles out, I can tell they must have had it in some form of solution or water, and it dried in that state when the actual bundle. So the hair was kind of hard up in that area where the rubber band was to keep it in this bundle. So once I unloosed it, it was kind of hard and kind of cracky, like, the hair was kind of caught up together. So I started sewing. So now it's time for me to wash the hair. I combed the hair out, but it still got tangled once it was submerged in the water. I have in my tub, I lay the hair out. I let the wig actually sit in the tub, let it soak out, and then I will comb the hair out in the actual water, because the more water, the better it detangles. Then I put my shampoo on. I give it 1 or 2 washes depending on how dirty the hair is. Normally, 2 washes is good. You don't need to do 3. And I put some conditioner on, comb the conditioner through, and it's good to go. That's it. The hair is really, really nice. I have no complaints so far. I finished sewing the wig last week, and I've been wearing the wig for 2 days so far. So I take it off at night. I cannot sleep in this puppy. It has to come off. I will put it back on. I use the got2b glue. I use one in the yellow. I have both. I use the yellow one, and I use the freeze spray this time. I really like the freeze spray because it allowed me not to use so much the got2b glued. So that was good. It's not hard up in here. I feel like I'm not even in frame. It's not hard up in here. It's just, you can tell it's tacked down. Back up in here, I don't have any combs. I just have it pretty much sitting back with the dome cap. So nice and snug. It curls like a dream. I love the way it curls. I did not do anything extra. I wanted to kind of leave it pretty much in its natural state, because once right here in the front, it does go straight, and then at the ends it does this nice pretty wave. So I definitely enjoyed that. So I just took my large barrel, I think it's a 1.5 inch. I just put some nice loose waves, let the ends go straight, and go from there. I think 16 is my go. I don't know what was going on with me before with the 18, but I think 16 is my go. What do you guys think? 18 is long, because even when I put this to the back, and I have a short torso. I'm only 5'2", so for me, I have a short torso, but I do have long legs. Does that make any sense? For me to be short, I don't know, but I do have a short torso. So when I wear hair, even at 16, it touches me right in like the bottom of my back. If I wear 18, forget about it. You know where that's at. Yeah, so the hair is pretty good. I like it. I thought about putting some color in. My daughter told me I should do like an ombre situation going on at the bottom, but I know how I get. I like it for a little while, then I don't like it anymore, and I tend to take care of my units better. I take care of them all good. Don't let me say that like I'm a bad wig carer. I tend to like it when it's in its natural state. I tend to wear them more, if that makes any sense. But I like it like this. I like dark hair. I do. I like the light hair too, but I like it more if I get like a synthetic wig and just play around with it. I've dyed a couple of hairs hairs. I dyed a couple of wigs, but I prefer them to be like this. But this hair is really, really beautiful. I'll leave all the links down below. I want to thank you to the folks over at Beafay. That's what I want to say. This hair is lovely. I can't complain. It's nice. It's soft. Like I mentioned before, it was unreal soft, and I guess it's because it's an Indian texture, so it feels really nice. I think this is one of my top. I think I would do this. Well, Peruvian first. I love Peruvian texture. It's more of a thicker texture, and then come Indian and, you know, Brazilian and so forth. And I think Malaysian is my last. But yeah, I really, really like it. So hey to all my new subscribers. Hey to all my loyals. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.